I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by priming the system, confirm power and firm cable connections, then set the source volume to about 50% and speaker gain low so you avoid distortion. Once done, disable any aggressive EQ boosts that falsely peak low frequencies and activate a high power or loudness mode if the speaker offers it. You're preparing clean headroom. This prevents clipping when you raise levels. Make sure to keep one hand near controls so you can react quickly if sound clips or rattles. Now you focus on the middle stage. Raise the source output slowly towards 75 to 85% while listening for any distortion. Stop and reduce if you hear clipping. Then tweak the speaker DSP. Engage a gentle low cut to reduce rumble, add a slight treble lift for perceived loudness, and set a limiter around -3 decibels to protect drivers. Also verify the connection quality. Prefer wired or a high bitrate codec like aptX or LDAC, and ensure the sample rate is at least 48 kHz for clearer peak delivery. Finish by bringing the speaker gain up toward your target loudness in small steps, listening for strain or overheating. If either occurs, back off immediately. Once you reach the level you want, fine-tune room placement, move the speaker away from corners or reflective surfaces to reduce boominess, and recheck EQ for balance. If distortion appears, reduce gain by 3 to 6 decibels and double-check limiter and DSP settings. If problems persist, swap cables or try another source to isolate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.